Welcome to Awesome Good. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to read a PDF file from the web in Python. We are going to use Pypdf, which is a free open source library that allows users to extract text and images from PDFs. It also allows us to perform operations on PDF files and generate them directly from Python if we want to make them rather than just read them. So we need to install PyPDF if you don't have it already on your system. So on our terminal, we can type pip install PyPDF and just hit enter, and it is successfully installed. So we just gonna clear the terminal and we can use this library in our code now. So from your lib, we are going to request, we're going to import URL retriever, and then from PyPDF import PDF reader. Now we are going to use URL retrieve, and we are going to pass in the URL of a PDF file, and we are going to use URL retrieve, pass in the URL. I need to grab a URL and just gonna paste it here, and then we are going to read into a file my PDF, my file.pdf, and then we are going to use PDF reader as a reader, and we're going to use PDF reader to read this file, my file.pdf, and read each text from each page for page in reader dot pages, and do print page dot extract text. And so we are going to read the URL and save into a file, then read from that file, and then we are going to loop through by using or iterate by using for, and going to extract the text from each page and print it to console. And here is the output from our PDF file. So this way you can read a PDF file from the web in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.